Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your iPhone 14 is unlocked and has battery. Power interruptions slow you down. Open Settings now and scroll to Accessibility. This is where the home screen visibility controls live. Once done, tap Display and Text Size to see display options, then back out and choose Home Screen Settings if available. This sets up the toggles you'll change. You're only a couple taps in, so stay focused and follow the next steps closely. Now make the changes that effectively turn off your home screen pages. Long press on any empty space until icons jiggle. This is called Edit Mode. Tap the row of dots above the dock to view all pages, then uncheck the pages you want hidden. This removes them from view without deleting apps. Tap Done to apply. This method hides the home screen layout so app access moves to App Library. It's reversible and preserves app data. Finish by exiting Edit Mode and checking your home screen. The unchecked pages should no longer appear. You can always reverse this by entering Jiggle Mode again, tapping the dots, and rechecking pages because this change is non-destructive. If pages unexpectedly reappear, restart your iPhone or check for an iOS update. Software glitches can restore defaults. If problems persist, a forced restart or signing out and into
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.